now in this third video, I just came in here like I'm just gonna watch it and said, okay, I guess I'm doing this now.
What we're doing, we're making Color Kids because Funko Pop doesn't make one.
Yeah, they only make Rainbow Brite and Twink.
Yeah.
But they don't make anyone else, so we're making these. We're making Patio Green, Red Butler, and Buddy Believe Owen's head. And we use that body for this character.
Yeah. So guys, we're going to put some paint on. Today we're going to be working on painting these guys. We did a lot of the clay add-ons.
Red Butler, here
I'm
we
going to
are.
be working on Patio Green with Lucy.
Quiet!
And Colin's doing, who are you doing, Colin? Buddy Blue?
And Colin's favorite color is blue. And my favorite character in this show is Red Butler.
My favorite color is blue. He likes black too, and sometimes very dark gray, because he's Batman.
No, that's just weird.
The best part of friendship is you. Patty, I'm your friend. I'll stick with you through thick and thin. We'll explore.
Later.
Lucy is painting her own thing.
Dang it! I accidentally got some red on his hands.
It's okay. Whatever you paint, we can always paint back over, so it'll be fine.
Paint fixes everything. Now I need to wait a while.
Okay, well you can work on his legs. His legs are also mostly red, right? Yeah. Okay. Painting her dress green. Painting her dress green. Look. Nice. Yeah, show it to them.
Okay. I mean, basically, no one.
Yep, there you go. Remember to reference to the card. That's where they're.
That's really
You know how to paint them.
Yeah, we know how to paint them because we have the colors. Mommy had these.
I have in a collection of these.
Now, I need to wait until all this dries before I can do anything else.
So all the Color Kids come with their own little like sprite, like
Sprite characters?
like Rainbow does.
Like a sprite.
But it's their own color and they have their own names. So eventually we'll probably make our own too.
We'll make more.
But we're gonna be making those.
We'll buy more Twinks and then painting them different colors.
Actually, you can't buy them separate. They would only come with Rainbow. So we're gonna try to make our own. Completely ourselves.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Also make sure
Mommy
we
will
sculpt
be
them
doing
just like these ones. Just like him, except.
Well, we're gonna do our best.
Yeah, we'll try. Mommy's pretty good with sculpting. I'm not so good with art. I mean, I like it, but it's kind of hard for me.
Combat Carl never gives up. Combat Carl finds a way.
Pretty good result. Well, I like it, but
You want to be really good at something, you gotta practice it every day.
Practice, practice, practice.
Anything else?
No, wait, it's not done. I can tell it's not done.
Okay, you want some red? Okay, guys, can you give Lucy some red? Lucy likes
red
red.
right over here.
Put some red. You do want to pour it for her, hon. I don't.
right.
Just pour a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's clean.
She's making her own color mixture mashup.
That's just making her own art.
Her paint, her plate paint art.
Making
What
beautiful.
if we call it the color Castillon?
Okay. Here for me.
Now I'm just waiting for it to dry.
Waiting for it to dry. Waiting for it to dry.
Much later.
So guys, this is what he looks like so far. Can't really show you very well. Go up there. Go up there.
Alright.
This is what he looks like so far. I'm really good with.
Meanwhile,
Happening in the land of Rainbow Brite. Ribbons here, flashes there. We are the new girl sprites. We're on our way to meet the boys in the land of Rainbow Brite.
Girl and boy sprites, each sold separately.
We're the new girl sprites. Look at their pretty colors. Whoops. I'm Delight. I'm Kim. I'm Twink.
And here's a kid to welcome you to the land of Rainbow Brite.
Delight, Champ, Posy, and Twink Sprite dolls, each sold separately from the world of Rainbow Brite. By Mattel.
Where no one's been before. And when we're through, I'll gladly share my lunch with you. Because I am your friend. Where would I be without you as my friend? What could I do without you? How true. Together forever, the road never ends. The first part of friendship is friends. Rainbow, you're my friend, and on my word you can depend. We'll use our wits to keep away the pits. And when we're done, we'll take a break and have some fun together, 'cause we're friends. Where would I be without you as my friend? And what could I do without you? Together forever, the road never ends. The first part of friends.
Okay, everybody. The kids have gone upstairs, start getting ready for bed. I'm trying to do some touch-ups on patio green here, get all the little spots. Here's Lucy to paint her little masterpiece and kind of help out. We got a lot of good work done today on everybody, Bunny Blue and the Butler. I still have a few little things to work on, so I'm gonna work on those. Making a little frog for patio green. And just enjoying the joy of painting.
But I wanna get you to try being creative on canvas. Just to take your time and sit down, have nothing in mind when you start. Just have a good feeling and be happy and in love with life and your world, and sit down and begin playing. And if you feel good about yourself and the world, it'll show in your painting, and all these little things will happen.
Later that night.
Anyways, Rainbow, what do you think of your friends so far? Oh, I think they look good. Yeah, they look nice. I can't wait till everybody's here. I miss all my friends. But you know who I miss the most? I don't know. Who do you miss the most? Starlight. I miss my horse. The most magnificent horse of the galaxy. He talks, you know, and he rides on rainbows. So, he's pretty great. Yeah, that sounds pretty great. I mean, if I had a flying, talking horse, that would be pretty sweet. It is. It's great. It's really great. All right. Well, thanks for talking to us, Rainbow. We gotta get back to work. Okay. Talk to you later.
Now I'm gonna walk. I'm walking. Okay. Hello, everybody. So,
Thanks, Lucy.
Lucy, go.
Lucy. Say bye.
Lucy. Bye.
Okay. All right. Now you can go see Daddy. Go find Daddy. Don't touch it. Don't knock it over.
What?
What? Okay. Make sure you're doing it where they can see. Hi. It's me again. Yay, we're so excited. Yay, me.
Hey everyone, I'm back.
Yep, he went and had a bath and everything. So now we're working where they can see our guys themselves. So you can pull your guy back.
Oh yeah, mine's shining.
Looking good, looking good.
All right, now I need some orange.
Got some orange.
Luckily, we got some little orange right here. All right. Why is the camera facing like this?
It's on. Our head's on.
So they
supposed to be shown.
So they can see like more of what we're actually doing. Because like we're just watching us paint, you can't really see what we're doing.
Oh yeah, good point.
So we're switching it up so sometimes they can see our faces and other times they can see our hands.
I can't get this off.
Look at this little
It's
frog.
struggling.
Look at this little frog.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
I want you so sweet, with great company. Where would I be without you as my friend? And what could I do without you? Together forever, the road never ends. The first part of friendship is friends. Where would I be without you as my friend? And what could I do without you? Together
already have it.
Well, thanks.
We have everyone.
Alright guys, well thanks for stopping by again. It's Freakin. You think can you tilt it a little bit up this way?
These are
Yeah,
how
there you go.
much we've used of all the progress we've gotten so far.
Okay, with each show our person and their card, okay? Alright, I got Patio Green. This is how far I got on her. Yeah, pretty close. Alright, Dylan, yours?
I got Red Butler, and this is how good I did. This is how well I did.
Mm-hmm.
I have
Buddy Blue.
Yep, getting close.
Pretty good.
Nearly there.
Yeah.
Alright, well thanks for
We're
coming
nearly
by.
done. Our characters are nearly done.
Yeah. And we'll have these ones done. And we move on to the next
Ethan
one.
was trying to get his
Move
own
on
cameo.
to Starlight.
Ethan was trying to get his own cameo.
We moved to Starlight, Shy Violet, and Lala Orange.
I'm
Lala
doing
Orange,
Starlight.
I just remembered it's Lala.
Guys, we should all talk at the same time, but no one here was. We were saying.
I'm
Try
doing
again.
Starlight, Dawn's doing Lava Orange, and I'm gonna do Shy Violet.
Okay, alright guys. So let's close up for tonight. Thank you for stopping by on Too Many Freaking Crafts.
And we hope to see you later.
We'll see you next time.
Until next time. Later, alligators.
We'll take another shot.
Rainbow Brite, see the shining light. Yes, I'm gonna take you to Rainbow Brite. Starlight light right before your eyes, and rainbow colors will cheer you up.
Baby shark do 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 do. Lucy Jane do 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 do. Okay, we gotta get our jammies on. I gotta close up shop here. Start putting things away. I gotta fix. I do need to fix some of the little skin problems. Baby shark. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark.
Dad.